In this video I'll show you how to make nitrocellulose from cotton. To start, you're going to weigh out 40 grams of pure cotton. Since I only have cotton balls, I'm going to have to turn them into thin strips so it reacts properly. Now you need 360 milliliters of sulfuric acid, and you're going to add 175 milliliters of nitric acid to it, not the other way around. It's also important that the acids are cold, or else it could boil. The smoke you see is nitric acid steam. Don't breathe that in. Do all this outdoors or in a fume hood, or else it could create some serious problems for your lungs. Now pour it all into a jar and cool it down in the freezer to -3 degrees Celsius. When it's cold enough, pour all of it into a beaker surrounded by an ice bath. Now you're going to add all of the cotton. Make sure the temperature doesn't go over 6 degrees Celsius. If that happens, just wait for it to cool down again. After all the cotton is added, you have to let it react for 2 hours. Then you have to add it to a bath full of baking soda. Keep adding baking soda until there's no more bubbling. That means the acids are fully neutralized. Then you have to rinse it with water a few times. After drying, you have this stuff that looks like cotton, but trust me, it isn't. I also have to add that I made all of this in 2 batches. My beaker wasn't big enough to fit all of the 40 grams of cotton in it. And there you have it, mostly pure nitrocellulose. I've made this stuff a few times, and I've learned that the most important part is the temperature. If it all gets above 20 degrees Celsius, it all turns weird and crumbly. However, if it goes above 60, it could explode. So just keep that in mind. I got 60 grams of nitrocellulose from it, which is good. Now we're going to test a small piece of it. No, that wasn't fancy editing, it was real. If this video helped, think about subscribing or leaving a like. It helps a lot.